Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm answering a couple questions that were commented on the video, how to create and name a group text on an iPhone. Okay, so I get these questions or similar questions often, so I decided to respond to this in a video. So Ray here, after watching this video, if you haven't watched the original video or you want to know how to create and name a group text on an iPhone, go to the video in the link or in the description, and that link will take you there. The question, though, I'm answering today are these two right here. Ray asked, so grateful for your videos. How do I find the groups that I set up or the groups I'm included in? Thanks. Or Sam says, how do we send a group message by entering the name of the group in a message without entering people's names? I am going to try my best to answer this right now by showing you how to do it, okay? Let's go. Okay, I believe that what Ray and Sam are asking is once they've created a group, like for example, I have this test group right here called test group. Once they've created a group, how do they simply just start a new text and type in and find that group to send them a text? Okay, well, first off, you can scroll through your text if you haven't deleted it and find a group you're a part of or a group you created, like I'm in this one right here that has 20 people in it, and you can then send a text to that group that way. But without having to scroll through, or in the chance that you deleted the group, you would just click to do a new text and you would type in the name of the group. So the one I created today for this video is called test group. I would just type in test group and I'd select it. Now I can text this group. Now here's the catch. Again, this is explained in the original video titled How to Create and Name a Group Text on an iPhone. The catch is that what if the group doesn't have a name? Like here's a big group I'm a part of that has 20 people in it and it has no name. You'll notice when I click on it, I can't change the name. Where in this group that I made today called test group, when I click into it and I click test group up here at the top, I can change the name. See in the blue up there under test group, I can change the name and photo and make tweaks to this. I can also click on people here and I can add contacts to it. So here's the reason you can't do it with all your groups. And this is explained in the previous video as well. You can't do that with all your groups because some people in the group have iPhones or you didn't create the group, somebody else did. So if you create this group and there's someone in the group that has an Android, like watch what's going to happen here when I add my wife. She has an Android. It doesn't let me add her because it's an existing group and she has an Android. But if I had done a group from the start with my wife in it or with people in an Android, I would have successfully made the group. Like in the instance of this group I showed you of 20 people. I would have successfully made that group, but I'd have no ability to edit it after the facts. So hopefully that answers your questions, Sam and Ray, as to how you find a group that you've created or one you're a part of to text to. Again, you simply start a new text and search for the group's name that you've given it, assuming you gave it a name, and keep in mind you cannot give it a name if there's even one person in that group who has an Android phone. And also, you're limited to 25 people per group with iPhones, okay? So see the description below. There's links to other solutions that require apps if you want to be able to be more sophisticated and change group names and things like that. And again, if you can't name it, you can always scroll through and it's hard to tell which one it is, but you can find the group that you're looking for from previous texts and send a text to them that way. Hopefully this helps, guys. Again, comment below, leave questions on the Teach Mom How comment below and leave questions on the Teach Mom How channel, and I will make videos to respond to them. Have a great day.